What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and we're back once again, back with Majestic Travel. And so, in today's video, I want to share with you how to create a travel booking website. Okay, so you do not want to miss this. I'm going to show you how to create this without creating this. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Now, this is my website, my travel booking engine. This was very, very easy to set up. Now, I suggest that you, same way that I did, do not try to create your own site from scratch. Okay? Do not try to put together a booking engine, all the things you need for the site, try to integrate suppliers. Don't waste your time on that. Here's what I recommend doing: partnering with a host travel agency. So as you see here, I'm partnered with IntelliTravel.com. Okay, by partnering with IntelliTravel.com, you get to equip yourself with your own travel booking site. This is a booking engine. So if you come down here, this is what all the functions that this site can do. Now, all of this is done for you. Okay, the only thing that you have to do is come in here, add your name, your branding, your photo, and your contact information, and you're good to go. That's it. That's the only creation that you have to do on your behalf. Just pretty much set up your profile. So guys, you can come in here and look for, you got cars. You can come in and do rental cars, cruises, flights, hotels. You can do travel insurance. There's a lot of stuff you can do, guys, that you have access to at your fingertips by partnering with a host travel agency. So I really want to go over this IntelliTravel, why it's so important. So if you're really trying to get into the travel industry and you're trying to create your own website, guys, save yourself some time. Partner with IntelliTravel.com. It'll save you a ton of time. I'm gonna show you why. So I'm gonna log in here, my back office here. I'm gonna show you some things. We can kind of get a feel of what to expect. Let's see, here, go to my agency, my agent website. So you can manage your site here. So this is where you put in your contact information for your website. Put my name, I put my phone number, all this good stuff. And you can come in here, put in your slogan, your branding slogan, and your travel agent name or your agency name, whatever you want to put right here. Then you come down here, select your picture, choose file, select picture, submit for review. Now, it usually take about 48 hours to review. Honestly, it's quicker than that, but that's pretty much it. And your site is now live. So if you go in here and you click on this link here, this is my link to my site, and it'll show you how your site looks live. Okay. Now, another thing I want to show you about this is the powerful cruising booking engine. I love this. So you have access to tons of suppliers. Okay. So if you come here and book travel, guys, let's go to cruises. Cruise is very popular. You have your own built-in cruise engine. Okay. So now you come in here, you have access to all the major suppliers. You got Carnival. Look, you got Avalon Waterways. I don't even know what that is. Carnival Cruise Line, Celebrity Cruises, Coastal Ships, Crystal Cruises, Noriega, Oceana Cruises, Royal Caribbean. So you have a ton of suppliers that you can go through and put together cruise packages. You got all the cruise ships. Everything is out at your fingertips for you to book for yourself and for your clients. You got the dates they're going out, departure reports. You can select everything. So let's say, for example, I wanted to let's see here. Let's go to reset. I want to do a Bahamas. Let's say I want to departure from Miami, and I want to do of course, Carnival. Let's see, I want to pick the Conquest cruise ship, and I want to go March 2020. And I want to go 4 to 6 nights. All you do now, select search. It's going to put you straight inside of Carnival. And here go all your cruise dates. You can just come in here, and it shows you everything you need. And you can put together cruises for your clients. And even though your clients can come in here, and you can come in here and share this, okay? And clients can come in here and book themselves. So you making commissions and leveraging the power of your website. So guys, that's my time. I just wanted to share with you, don't worry about wasting time trying to figure out how to create a website. Plug into a system where the site is already done for you, where you have everything you need at your fingertips. Okay, so guys, I recommend IntelliTravel.com. If you're not a part of this business, watch a free presentation on how you can get started as a travel agent and put together your own booking website, okay? Click that link below, watch that free presentation, and I will see you on the next video. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment. All right? See you on the next video. All right. Bye-bye.